Hey guys, it's Des for T-Mobile, and today I'm checking out the new SyncUP Tracker. The SyncUP Tracker helps you keep track of what matters, from your backpack to skateboard or bike, and even your luggage. Join me as we take a look inside the box, get the tracker set up, and go over its key features. Now, let's get into it. Opening up the box, you've got the start guide, your new SyncUP Tracker, power adapter, USB charging cable, and a lanyard. Now before we start, you're going to want to take a moment to charge up your SyncUP Tracker, probably about 2 hours or until you see a solid green light. This is a good opportunity for you to download the app from the App Store or from the Google Play Store. Once you've got the app downloaded and installed, you can go ahead and open up the SyncUP Tracker app. Here you'll be prompted to log in. You can use your existing T-Mobile ID to log in or follow the steps to create a new account. After logging in, make sure you allow location access and push notifications. Then, you'll be prompted to add a new device. To do so, tap on Scan QR Code and scan the code on the back of your tracker. The app will verify the device and connect to the network. Next, let's customize your tracker. Select what kind of item you're tracking, and you can even upload a picture if you have one. You'll name your tracker and select its location update frequency. Now that your tracker is all set up, let me tell you about some of my favorite features, including map view, virtual boundaries, and how to ring your tracker. Let's start with map view. Map view is the first screen you see when you open up the tracker app. Here I can see all of my trackers at once, including their location, battery level, and the last time their location was updated. I can also tap on a specific tracker to refresh the location or edit its settings. Virtual boundaries help make sure your tracker is where it's supposed to be. You can create a virtual boundary for your trackers to be at home, work, or any other important location. The app will then notify you when your tracker leaves the area and when it arrives back safely. And if one of my trackers gets away from me, I can check the app to see its last location displayed and ring the tracker. To ring the tracker, simply go to the details screen and tap the play button right here on the right. The new T-Mobile SyncUP Tracker. Track things that matter on the T-Mobile network. For more information, you can check it out at your favorite T-Mobile store or online at tmobile.com. This has been Des with T-Mobile. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for another great T-Mobile video coming up next.